Welcome to Module 5, Lecture 2 on important terms in cam and follower. Figure shows a disc cam with reciprocating roller follower. These are important terms in order to draw the cam profile. We will discuss the terms one by one. First one is cam profile. It is the shape of cam surface by means of which motion is communicated to follower. So it is the shape of this cam that is responsible for the motion of this follower. Then second one is a base circle. It is the smallest circle that can be drawn on the cam profile. So this is the base circle. This can be drawn on this is the smallest circle that can be drawn on this cam profile. Third one is trace point. It is the reference point. This is the trace point. It is the reference point on the follower and it is used to generate the pitch curve. So what is meant by pitch curve? When follower moves relative to cam, curve generated by this trace point is called as a pitch curve. So here you can observe the pitch curve that is shown with a red dashed line. So when this follower moves around the cam, the path that is traced by this trace point is called as a pitch curve. In case of knife edge follower, knife edge represents the trace point. A point represents the trace point. In case of roller follower, the center of roller represents the trace point. For knife edge follower, the pitch curve and cam profile are same. So in case of this knife edge follower, the pitch curve and cam profile are same. While in case of roller follower, the pitch curve and cam profile are separated by the radius of the roller. Next term is pressure angle. It is the angle between direction of follower motion and perpendicular drawn to pitch curve. The lines, those are coming out of the center, represent the direction of the follower motion. So these are the lines, these blue color lines are representing the follower motion. This line, this is the line which represents the direction of follower motion, and this line, this is the line drawn perpendicular to the pitch curve. So the angle in between these two lines is the pressure angle. Pressure angle is very important in designing the cam profile. If pressure angle is too large, a reciprocating follower will jam in its bearing. Next term is pitch point. It is the point on pitch curve having maximum pressure angle. Next term is pitch circle. Pitch circle. So if the circle is drawn from center of cam passing through pitch point, then circle is called as a pitch circle. Here you can see this is the pitch circle that can be drawn from the center of the cam and which is passing from the pitch point. Next term is prime circle. It is the circle drawn from the center of cam passing through the trace point. So this is the prime circle. This is the prime circle. It is drawn from the center of the cam and it is passing through the trace point. In case of knife edge and flat face follower, the prime circle and base circle are same. Prime circle and base circle are same in case of knife edge follower, whereas in case of roller follower the prime circle and base circle are separated. These are separated by the radius of roller. This is the base circle and this one is the prime circle. So these circles are separated by the radius of roller. Next term is lift or stroke. It is the maximum travel of follower from the lowest position to the topmost position. So this is the lowest position of follower and this is the topmost position of follower. So and this is the distance in which follower can move. This is the maximum travel of this follower. In next video we will discuss about motion of follower. Thank you.